Unraveling Idioms. Run the rule over. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, run the rule over. This idiom might sound a bit peculiar at first, but it's a great example of English's rich figurative language. Let's explore its meanings, usage, and origins together. Run the rule over is an idiom used to describe the action of examining or reviewing something or someone thoroughly. When you run the rule over something, you are scrutinizing it carefully, often to make an evaluation or to form an opinion. It's similar to saying you are checking something out or giving something a once-over. The phrase, run the rule over, has a tactile origin, coming from the practice of using a ruler to measure or examine the quality of an object meticulously. It's been used in English since at least the 19th century, often in the context of inspection or appraisal. Understanding this origin helps us appreciate the figurative meaning of the phrase in modern usage. Using run the rule over is quite straightforward. It's typically used when someone is being particularly attentive or thorough in their examination. Here are a few examples. 1. The manager decided to run the rule over the new procedures to ensure everything was in order. 2. Before buying the car, she ran the rule over it, checking for any signs of damage or wear. 3. The editor ran the rule over the manuscript, looking for any grammatical errors. It's always useful to know some synonyms or similar expressions. Here are a few phrases that share similar meanings with run the rule over. Inspect closely, examine thoroughly, review meticulously, scrutinize, go over with a fine-tooth comb. Now that you've run the rule over this phrase, you should have a thorough understanding of what it means, its origins, and how to use it in your daily conversations or writings. We hope you found this exploration insightful and that it adds a new, expressive phrase to your English repertoire. Keep learning and exploring, and remember, language is not just a tool for communication, but a journey into culture and history. Happy learning!